Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed a video to Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So right now we're going to add a new presentation by clicking on blank, or if you want to add a template, as you can see guys, these are some available templates that you can use to make things easier. So I'm gonna click on blank, and as you can see guys, now this is our presentation. If you click right here, you can add a title. For example, I'm gonna type tutorial. Right now, I'm gonna go right here. If you click on this little plus, you can add a new slide. And from here, in order to add a new video, just go to the top right menu and click on insert. Once you click on insert, you can add from here an image, a text box, an audio, a video, a shape, a table, a chart, a diagram, word art, line, comments, new slide, and lastly, slide numbers. So go ahead and click on video, and then from here, you can add a video from YouTube or from Google Drive. So for example, I'm gonna go right here to this search bar, and here you can either search a YouTube video or you can paste the URL. For example, I'm gonna paste a URL like this and then click on enter. And then once you click on enter, then you can add your video by clicking on it. Once you click on the video, from here you can click on insert and it will be inserted. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.